I'm demolding a medium gargoyle. In most of my other videos, it's a mold I made. The way I did it, I put one seam in it instead of two on the wings. It's a cleaner statue, but it's a little bit harder to demold. It's a little tricky. I think I've only ever broke one horn on it so far. That happens. So right now I'm just loosening everything up. I don't have to take everything out of here. I don't usually have too many air bubbles in the cast, if any. Because it has quite a few seams on the inside, around the horns, around the ears, and the latex is extremely thick. To my knowledge, I think I'm the only one that actually has this. I haven't seen it available anywhere else. And I've got a matching one I still have to make the mold of. This one has one hand resting under his chin, and the other one that I have actually has both. I'm sure you can tell the difference between the molds I make and the ones I've bought and are purchased. My fiberglass and latex is a lot thicker. I'm pretty rough on the molds. I don't like getting air bubbles in my casts. So that's one side. Back. So I got 1, 2, 3 pieces left. Everything's loosened off. I'm just trying to keep as much together as I can. There you go. Now for the fun part. Because the latex is so thick on this, it takes a lot to get it demolded. It would have been a lot easier if I would have put a secondary seam down this side too. So I'm being careful where I'm tugging on it too. Because I got the horns in here, and if I pushed on it, it's all the way to break it. Trying to leave the horns to last. pain in the butt, but it's worth it in the end. See what I mean? It would take absolutely nothing to break those off. See, that was the hard part. The whole plug is solid. I've got that whole entire section filled. You can see how thick the latex is. All that is completely filled. So there you go. One of my medium gargoyles. Once it's cured up a little bit more, within a week or two, I'll go back, get rid of what little bit of seam is in here, in between the ears. It's just paper thin. And around the horn.